Guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam room decor, and this piece is pretty versatile. You can use this as either a centerpiece, a candle holder centerpiece, or either like a glass hurricane, or just as a decorative piece to add to a tabletop. But anyway, what you're going to need some of these crystal teardrop pendants, and they are from Efavormart. You're also going to need some of this floral diamond wrap, and this is from Efavormart as well. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You are going to need 6 of these Dangle brooches. They're silver rhinestone brooches. They are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of wedding decor and event decor and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you'll need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 vases or 2 hurricanes from Dollar Tree. I've got 2 fluted shapes here. I've got this little mini fluted shape, and then I have this tall hurricane in a fluted shape as well. So you will need these 2. And what you're going to need from Walmart, I have some of these peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I am going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this glam crystal room decor piece turn out absolutely beautifully? You can use this as a hurricane, a candle holder centerpiece, or just room decor. Super versatile and so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.